All right, welcome back. So I want to go ahead and go over my my everyday hip carry. I've got the Veto Pro Pac T3 Tech Series tool bag here. And this is where I keep basically my essentially tools that I use on a daily basis without fail. So let's start with this. Let's go ahead and go through everything I've got here first. Okay, so first let's start with our Milwaukee. This is just a standard Milwaukee 1101 screwdriver here. It's a pretty decent screwdriver. I basically modified it to be a little bit more of use to me in the field. Put instead of just keeping the square bit in the small, I guess the medium-sized Phillips, I just put a really small Phillips head, and this works for thermostats really well. Phillips head and flathead on that end, and I keep the extra spare bits that came with it here from the factory. These are the square and the star bits, as well as just the small flathead and Phillips head there. So got that. Keep 3 wrenches, 3 adjustables. Don't mind that, the pink there. I think that was taken from my girlfriend's tool bag there. So just a small, medium, and large adjustable wrench. And yeah, definitely use all 3 of these. Just whatever situation I might need. I mean, usually I like to use the large for just taking off the service valve caps on units, and the medium I'll just use that for everyday situations. Got some of these Klein strippers, wire strippers, and crimpers. These are probably the best ones I've seen thus far. They go all the way down to I think 20 gauge, 22 gauge. But yeah, they're pretty good strippers here. Might be only down to 18 gauge. But either way, I mean, they're solid. Like I said, they've got the crimper, they've got the screw cutters here. So I really like those. And oh yeah, another thing I like about them as well, they've got the needle nose pliers on the end as well, so they're pretty solid. Kind of can replace the linemen's, because I wanted to get one that had the linemen's with the wire strippers and the crimper, but these right here I think were a little bit more versatile, so I went with that. So we've got just a knife here, Milwaukee. It's a pretty nice blade. Razor blade. It's a little dirty today, but no worries. And here, this is my just a 90. Basically a 90-degree drill extender. This gets you out of binds. I mean, it's one of those things you might not use it every day, but when you need it, it definitely is worth having on you. Can definitely save you. I've got here my service wrench, another tool that's definitely necessary in the field. Just recently, I think it was Friday, lost the actual bit for it for closing and opening up service valves, so no worries. Just have to replace that. Probably my first tool since using the Pro Series that I've lost in about 2 years, a year and a half now, so can't complain too much on that. Got here just an extender, well, a couple of extenders with star head bits in them. Also got lots of different Allen keys. And that's just because you just don't want to be without them. I mean, they really do come in handy. Small drill bit. Then here I've got a flex extender, another really useful tool when you need it. I keep a permanent marker, magnetic reach tool, keep some of these jumper cables. Also, just a battery. It's like a 3 amp hour battery pack for USB, just for charging phones and different accessories. I like to use my thermal cameras from time to time, so it really helps. If those die on me, cable for that. Keep my P-trap cleaner. Here I keep some sandpaper, emery cloth, whatever you want to call it. Just in case. I also keep some mastic tape. I like to use this whenever I put holes in the ductwork for doing my delta T's, putting my psychrometers in there. I like to cover it back up with this here mastic tape. I know, the plugs are a lot better, but that's just what I use. Got a small tape measure here, just in case I need one of my large bag isn't on me. It's a multi-tool. It's a really cheap one. I really don't find myself using it that often, so I didn't necessarily feel the need to upgrade and get a high quality multi-tool like that. So this is just one of these, I guess, finger bit pieces here. They're pretty decent. Definitely keep some Neosporin, just in case you catch an injury out there. Keep the band-aids in my wallet. Pack of razor blades, my razor blade for my box cutter there. We've got a magnetic screw tray with a couple of magnets here. That's where I just keep all my screws. Here we've got just a couple of wire nuts, various sizes, and terminals, connectors. This here, I love this tool as well. This is the Short Pro. It's pretty slick. I mean, essentially it's like basically a short finding tool, but instead of actually tripping a resettable, I guess, breaker of sorts, it's just a little LED that lights up when there's a short that's detected. And I don't know, I just find it helps be a lot more efficient with tracing shorts. As well, I've got some fuses and a step bit. I like this one because it's designed to work my impact wrench. So, and I've got a few magnetic, some of these magnetic bits, flat heads, Phillip head, star, and just a square head. And those are really powerful magnets. So honestly, I don't find myself using those that often. So I might take them out and put something else there. It's a little bit more productive, but we'll see. Like I said, I'm always revising the bag. If something is not getting used enough, or I find I'm not I don't have a tool that I can use more often. I'm just always swapping things in and out of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's basically my everything that I carry. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention as well, a laser. This is just a Bosch laser tape measure. It's really good just for getting quick measurements on the area, square footage in different rooms, or you know, just different things like that. So but yeah, and this is just the impact driver I use, just the Milwaukee Fuel 1/4" hex, along with this Malco 5/16 by 1/4". So yeah, like I said before, I mean, I'm not going to complain about this bag. Pretty amazing, to be honest with you, as far as the durability is concerned. Only concern that I've had, though, thus far with it, a lot of the cheaper bags, like when you pack them, you know, you say, like I said, you have your wrenches here, you know, your screwdriver here, and then I'd keep this in here. Like, if you don't pack this just right to where the stuff is pushing up against this here, like, it just pretty much will fall out on you. So, I mean, you got to pretty much pack these things really tight. A lot of the cheaper bags, I haven't had that issue. They've got pockets that just pretty much retain everything. But these, I guess because the material is so stiff, just because of the actual thickness, it just doesn't retain your tools that well. But like I said, I mean, that's just up to you to figure out the best way to get the tools to fit in there where they're snug and where everything is actually you know, not going to fall out on you. I mean, most of the stuff doesn't fall out, to be honest. Like I said, keep my my Allen keys in here. That's firm. This here never comes out. Like, most of the stuff I pack is pretty much solid, but there's just a couple pockets that they pretty much you got to get it just right. And like I say, it's not a big deal, but you'll know about it if you're in an attic or something and the thing just tips back on you and things falls into a bunch of insulation and something just falls out and you never know what it was until you go to look for it. So other than that, I don't have any other complaints about this bag. This is, like I said, these are super tough. I mean, you couldn't destroy these things if you really wanted to, as far as like tearing through it, you know, with a screwdriver or something. So yeah, other than that, great bags. I definitely would recommend it. So yeah, other than that, that's basically it. Got some electrical tape, keep on there. But yeah, that's pretty much what I carry on my hip from day to day. So yeah, just if you like it, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. And if you have any other ideas, or basically just anything you think I should add to the kit, just let me know in the comments below. All right, thanks.